In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Bluebeam, quick steps. By the end, you'll be confidently signed in and ready to work without getting stuck on the basics. First, open Bluebeam Revu on your computer. If you're on Windows, you can launch it from the Start menu or a desktop shortcut. On macOS, look in your Applications folder or use Search to find it quickly. Give the app a moment to load. If you've recently installed an update, the first launch might take a little longer than usual, so that's normal. When Revu opens, look for the sign-in option. Depending on your version, you might see it on the welcome screen or in the top right corner of the interface. This is where you'll use your Bluebeam account to authenticate. This account is the same one associated with your license or subscription, so make sure you're using the correct work or personal account that matches your access. A steady internet connection helps here because the app needs to verify your credentials. Next, enter your email address and password in the fields provided. Take your time with this step. Watch out for small typos, extra spaces copied from elsewhere, or a caps lock key that's turned on. Email addresses aren't case sensitive, but passwords are, so accuracy matters. If your browser or password manager tries to autofill, glance over the entries to confirm they're correct before proceeding. If there's a show or hide password toggle available, it can be helpful to quickly confirm what you've typed. Once everything looks right, click sign in. After a brief moment, Revu will complete the authentication and bring you into the main workspace. You may notice your profile details in the corner and, if applicable, your toolsets or settings syncing in the background. That simply means your environment is being prepared so you can jump directly into your projects. If you see an on-screen message after clicking sign in, read it carefully. Most issues come down to a mistyped email or password or a connection hiccup. Correct the entry and try again. If your organization manages your access, they may provide specific guidance or support contacts directly on that screen. And that's it. You opened Bluebeam Revu, selected sign in, entered your email and password, and clicked sign in to access your workspace. With that done, you're ready to begin reviewing drawings, marking up documents, and collaborating with your team. Thanks for watching and enjoy working in Bluebeam.